What are moments in statistics? Moments in statistics are quantitative measure, or a set of statistical parameters, that describes the specific characteristics of a probability distribution. In simple terms, the moment is a way to measure how spread out or concentrated the number in a dataset is around the central value. In statistics, the first four moments are mean, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. Each of these four moments gives information about the dataset, such as central location, dispersion, asymmetry, and outliers. First moment, mean. The first moment is referred to as mean. Mean is a measure of central tendency that represents the average value of the dataset. It is defined as the ratio of the sum of all observations to the total number of observations. That is, mean U equals sign she, n where she, sum of all data points, xe, n number of data points. Example, let the height of 5 students in a class is 150 centimeters, 155 centimeters, 160 m, 165 centimeters, and 180 centimeters. Find the mean height of the class. Solution. Sum of height of all students equals sign 150 plus 155 plus 160 plus 165 plus 180 equals 810. Total number of students equals sign 5 equals sign and mean equals sign 810 divided 5 equals 162. Hence, the mean height of the class is 162 centimeters. Second moment. Variance. Variance is the measure of dispersion, referred to as the second moment in statistics. It is the average squared difference of data points from the mean. The higher the variance value, the greater the variability. That is, data points are far away from the mean within the dataset, and vice versa. Variance measures how far each data point in the dataset is from the mean. Formula of variance. Variance, S2, equals sign, SSEL, U2N where, SC, U2. Sum of the squared difference between each data point, xe, and the mean, U, n, number of data points. Third moment, skewness. Skewness is the third moment, which is a measure of lack of symmetry. That is, measures the deviation of the given distribution of a random variable from a symmetric distribution. In simple terms, skewness means the lack of straightness or symmetry. Formula of skewness. Skewness, gamma, equals sign SGU3, n asterisk S3, where S.U3, sum of the cube difference between each data point at I and the mean U sigma, standard deviation n, number of data points. There are two types of skewness. 1. Positive skewness, mode and at median and mean. In positive skewness, the extreme data values are greater, which in turn increases the mean value of the dataset. 2. Negative skewness, mean at median at mode. In negative skewness, the extreme data values are smaller, which in turn decreases the mean value of the dataset. Fourth moment, kurtosis. Kurtosis is one of the important property of a distribution. It is concerned with the flatness or height of the frequency curve. A normal curve is smooth, continuous, perfectly symmetrical, bell-shaped curve. Its height is taken as a standard, and such a curve is known as mesokurtic curve. A curve which is flatter than the normal curve, or whose height is less than the normal curve, is called as the platykurtic curve. A curve which is less flatter than the normal curve, or whose height is more than the normal curve, is called the leptokurtic curve.